Hey everyone, in this tutorial, we're going to write a JavaScript function that checks if a number is a power of 10. We'll use JavaScript's built-in mathlog10 method and a clever trick with the modular operator. Let's break it down and see how it works step by step. So what does it mean to be a power of 10? It means the number can be written as 10 raised to the some whole number like 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, and so on. We'll use mathlog to the power of 10 to calculate the base 10 logarithm. If that result is a whole number, we'll know it is a valid power of 10. Here's our entire function, just one line. We use mathlog10 num to get the logarithm base 10. If the result is a whole number, the modulo 1 operation will give 0. So, this condition tells us if the input is exactly 10 to the power of n for some integer n. Let's walk through the logic. We take the base 10 log of the number. If it's 1, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, and so on, modulo 1 will give 0. This tells us the input was exactly a power of 10. If not, we return false. Super clean and efficient. Let's test our function with a few values. 1 and 10 return true because they clearly powers of 10. But 30 and 90 return false. They're not exact powers, even though they are close. 100 and 1000 work perfectly. The logic holds. Where might you use this in real life? Power of 10 checks are useful in formatting large numbers, creating scaling factors in scientific apps, or validating input fields. You'll see this in currency conversions, data units, and even responsive chart axes. And that wraps it up. We've built a clean one-liner to check whether a number is a power of 10 using mathlog10 and modulo. It is fast, readable, and really useful in various math-heavy scenarios. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our next JavaScript lesson. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.